welcome to MFL Game Day. Rim Blitz Row here. If you're just waking up wondering who put that vice on your head and filled your mouth with vacuum cleaner, dirt, and cat litter, you're not alone. After all, it's Sunday, MFL Game Day. Hey, you look tired, Junior. And Bricks, looks like they got your head and feel good. Last night. Food poisoning?
I wish! I got the chopsticks lodged in my ears again. You know, they should have a warning on that thing.
And it's 1st and 10. Oh, and you can bury that guy because he is dead.
Did you see what number he was? I gotta check it off my dead mutant bingo card. I only need 5 more.
And this guy is supercharged with electricity. And the ball falls to the ground. That's incomplete.
He needs to throw it when the receiver can catch it. What's he doing?
And groundbreaking analysis as always there, Brick.
Oh, thank you. I do my part.
First down. And the running game opens up for them and allows the passing game to be more of a threat. Oh, holy smokes. He just killed that player with a cheap shot. That's why we love the MFL. And so at the end of the first quarter, we've got a scoreless game.
Just like your love life.
The medium deuce at most.
Speaking of deuces, I gotta
They stumped the clock with their first timeout, leaving them with 2 in case they need them.
Yeah, just like condoms, hatchets, and wives. Unreal.
You know, you just summed up why we don't get together outside of work.
And that's perfect coverage. Nice deflection. And the quarterback goes into a hurry-up offense and calls all the plays from the line of scrimmage from here on out. Oh, great play. He is on that receiver like glue.
You know, when I was little, my dad used to make me eat glue. My tongue would get stuck to the roof of my mouth, and I couldn't talk.
Your father was a very smart man, Bricks.
And he got it off. That's a decent punt. And he's off to the races. The 20. The 10. Oh, and they got him. It's a touchdown-winning tackle. It's 1st and goal, time to put up our... And the defense goes to the regular punch to kill the quarterback. And the QB evades an onslaught of defenders and lives to die another day.
Yeah.
1st and goal. And into the end zone with a burst of speed. Well, why go for 1 when you could go for 2? No one was going to stop him. That's 2 points. The second quarter comes to a close as the teams... And now, the moment you've all been waiting... Only 10 seconds left.
Stay alive, I got money on you.
Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed the halftime show. It's still anyone's game here as we start the third quarter.
I missed it, Ben. I was out in the concourse grabbing some food, and there was this mutant leper in line, and he left in an angry huff.
Why did he leave, Brick? And it's the quarterback changes the play.
He's so indecisive. I'm not sure.
he'd be saying, Psycho Killer, qu'est-ce que c'est? What the fuck? The drive was stalled, and here comes the field goal attempt. It's good. They're looking for a good return after giving up points. Let's see how they do.
Yeah, let's see if they always suck or if that was just a one-time thing.
And it's 1st and 10. Defense calls an audible.
Maybe they're rehearsing for music.
He's supercharged and can electrocute any opposing player he touches. Oh, he took a leap and had the ball knocked out. Fumble.
He's got a case of fumbleitis.
The third quarter has ended, and we'll need a huge rally or a high death toll to make this one interesting. You never know if it's a regular audible or if they're going to runner pull down a chainsaw.
A chainsaw fight.
Picked up a yard somehow. The Hellboys are defeated today. They battled hard but still got their butts handed to them.
Gross.
Once again,
Today,